Today we're talking about something super important: car insurance. It's one of those things that you might not think about every day, but it's always there, working behind the scenes to keep you protected. Now, I know insurance might not be the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's crucial. It's like that boring but necessary friend who always has your back when things go wrong. Think of car insurance like a safety net for when you're on the road. It's there to catch you if you fall, providing peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Just like you wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute, you shouldn't drive without car insurance. It's your backup plan for the unexpected. It protects you financially if you're ever in an accident. Imagine the relief of knowing you won't be left with a huge bill after a fender bender or worse. Accidents can happen to anyone, even the safest drivers. No matter how careful you are, there's always a risk when you're on the road. And when they do, the costs can really add up. Medical bills, car repairs, you name it. These expenses can be overwhelming without the right coverage. That's where car insurance swoops in to save the day. It helps cover those unexpected costs so you can focus on getting back on the road. So, whether you're a seasoned driver or just got your license, stick around. We're going to dive into the details and make sure you understand why car insurance is a must-have. We're going to break down the basics of car insurance in a way that's easy to understand, even for those of you who still think deductible is a type of nail polish. By the end of this, you'll be an insurance pro. First up, let's talk about liability coverage. This is the most basic and essential type of car insurance. In many places, it's actually required by law. Liability coverage protects you if you cause an accident that injures someone else or damages their property. It helps pay for their medical expenses, car repairs, and even legal fees if they decide to sue you. Imagine you accidentally run a red light and hit another car. Oopsie! Liability coverage would help cover the costs of the other driver's medical bills and car repairs. Without liability coverage, you'd be responsible for paying all those expenses out of your own pocket. And trust me, those costs can add up faster than a hamster on a wheel. Next, we have collision coverage. This is a crucial part of your auto insurance policy that you should definitely understand. This type of coverage helps pay for repairs to your own car if it's damaged in an accident, regardless of who's at fault. Whether it's a minor fender bender or a major collision coverage ensures that your car can be repaired without you having to bear the full financial burden. Let's say you're driving down the road, and bam! A deer decides to play chicken with your car. It's a scenario that happens more often than you might think, especially in rural areas. Collision coverage would help cover the costs of fixing the damage to your car, even though it wasn't your fault. This means you can get back on the road faster without worrying about the repair costs. Or maybe you misjudge a parking space and accidentally back into a pole. These things happen to the best of us, and it's good to know you're covered. We've all been there, right? The frustration and stress can be overwhelming, but having collision coverage can ease that burden. Collision coverage would help pay for those repairs too. Even minor damages can be costly, and this coverage ensures you're not left out of pocket. Collision coverage is especially important if you have a newer car or one that's worth a lot of money. Protecting your investment is key, and this coverage does just that. It gives you peace of mind knowing that you won't be stuck with a hefty repair bill if the unexpected happens. So make sure to review your policy and understand the benefits of collision coverage. Section 4. Comprehensive coverage, shielding your car from life's surprises. Now let's talk about comprehensive coverage. This type of coverage is like collision coverage's cooler older sibling. It covers damage to your car from things other than collisions. Think of it as protection against the oops moments in life. Did a hailstorm leave your car looking like it went through a waffle iron? Comprehensive coverage has got you covered. Did a tree branch decide to take an unexpected nap on your windshield? Comprehensive coverage to the rescue. It even covers things like theft, vandalism, and fire. So if someone decides to steal your car and take it for a joyride, comprehensive coverage will help you get back on the road. Section 5. Why car insurance matters, peace of mind on the road. So we've covered the main types of car insurance, but why is it so important to have? Well, for starters, it's the law in most places. Driving without insurance is like trying to sneak a giant bag of popcorn into a movie theater. Chances are, you're going to get caught. But more importantly, car insurance gives you peace of mind. It's like having a guardian angel watching over you while you're on the road. Knowing you have insurance to fall back on if something unexpected happens can make all the difference. It can save you from financial hardship and help you get back on your feet faster. Section 6. Drive safe, drive smart. Get the coverage you need. In this section, we will explore the essentials of car insurance and why it's crucial for every driver. So, there you have it. Car insurance in a nutshell. It's more than just a piece of paper. It's your safety net on the road. We've covered the basics of liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage, each serving a unique purpose in protecting you and your vehicle. And why it's so important to have. Accidents can happen anytime, and having the right coverage ensures you're not left in a difficult situation. Remember, everyone's insurance needs are different. What works for one person might not be suitable for another. The best way to find the right coverage for you is to talk to a licensed insurance agent. They have the expertise to guide you through the options. They can help you understand your options, explain the fine print, and ensure you get the best deal. And find a policy that fits your budget and driving habits. Driving is a privilege, and with that privilege comes responsibility. Always ensure you're covered adequately to avoid any unforeseen issues. So be sure to buckle up, drive safe, and stay alert on the road. And get the car insurance coverage you need to protect yourself and others on the road. It's not just about compliance, it's about safety. And remember, if you ever have any questions about car insurance, don't hesitate to reach out. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are professionals ready to assist you. There are plenty of resources available to help you make informed decisions about your coverage. From online tools to in-person consultations, the help you need is always within reach. Drive safe out there, everyone. Your safety and peace of mind are worth it.